listening to Lead AI.dev, Enhancing Developer Efficiency, a deep dive into Composer 2. Composer 2 introduces pivotal features that streamline AI application development, enhancing efficiency for developers. What shipped? According to Lead AI.dev, Composer 2 has officially launched, bringing significant updates including version 2.0. This version introduces an upgraded API with enhanced functionalities such as dynamic code generation and real-time collaboration features. Notable changes include the introduction of the SmartSync API endpoint, which allows for instantaneous updates across team members' environments, facilitating a smoother workflow. Additionally, the integrated AI assistant feature now supports natural language processing for debugging, making it easier to identify and fix issues without extensive manual effort. New SmartSync API endpoint for real-time updates. AI assistant feature for natural language debugging. Why this matters. The rollout of Composer 2 affects development teams of all sizes, particularly those managing over 500 API calls daily. For such teams, the improved efficiency can lead to a significant reduction in development time, potentially up to 30%. Previously, teams needed to spend considerable time coordinating changes across environments, which Composer 2's SmartSync now alleviates. This comparative advantage over older versions or competing platforms, which often rely on manual synchronization, positions Composer 2 as a preferred choice for teams with tight budgets looking to maximize productivity. Teams running 500 API calls/day can see up to 30% time savings. Composer 2 reduces manual synchronization effort compared to older versions. How to take advantage. If you're using Composer for collaborative AI development, here's what to do. First, upgrade your Composer package to version 2.0 by running the command npm install Composer at 2b0. Next, implement the SmartSync API in your project by integrating it into your existing workflows. This should be done within the next 2 weeks to ensure your team can capitalize on the real-time collaboration features before your next sprint planning. Additionally, for those migrating from Composer 1, ensure you update your API calls to the new endpoints as outlined in the version update documentation. Run npm install Composer at 2.0 to upgrade your package. Integrate SmartSync API within 2 weeks for optimal collaboration. What to watch? As with any major update, it's essential to monitor potential risks associated with Composer 2, such as the initial learning curve for teams accustomed to the previous version. Additionally, the broader rollout is planned for next quarter, but early adopters should be aware that some features may still be in beta. Keep an eye on user feedback regarding the AI assistant's performance and any potential integration issues with existing tools. Thank you for listening. LeadAI.dev. Watch for user feedback on AI assistant performance. Be aware of potential integration issues with existing tools. Key takeaways. Teams leveraging SmartSync can reduce synchronization time by 30%. Real-time debugging with AI assistant can decrease error resolution time significantly. Transitioning to Composer 2 is crucial for teams managing high volumes of API calls. Market signals. Increased adoption of AI tools. With Composer 2's launch, expect a rise in AI-driven application development in the industry. What to do next? If your team is running Composer 1 and spending $200/mo on API calls, migrate this week to take advantage of the cost savings. For teams with existing integrations, assess compatibility within 30 days to avoid disruptions. If you're currently using third-party debugging tools, evaluate transitioning to Composer's AI assistant for streamlined workflows. This has been LeadAI.dev. Stay building.